Linux Lite 7.8 is officially out, and in this video, we'll take a slightly deeper look at what's new, what's improved, and who this release is really for. Linux Lite 7.8 is the latest stable release of this lightweight, beginner-friendly Linux distribution. It's based on Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS and focuses on speed, simplicity, and long-term stability. Let's break down the key changes. Linux Lite 7.8 is derived from Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS, also known as Noble Numbat. By default, it ships with the Linux 6.8 kernel and uses the Xfce 4.18 desktop environment. Xfce remains a strong choice here, keeping system resource usage low while still offering a modern and polished experience. One of the strengths of Linux Lite is kernel choice. While kernel 6.8 is included by default, users can install other kernels directly from the Linux Lite repositories. Supported versions range from Linux 3.13 all the way up to Linux 6.18 LTS, making this release suitable for both older machines and newer hardware. A major highlight of Linux Lite 7.8 is the rewrite of 12 in-house tools using Python and GTK4. These include Lite Welcome, Lite Software, Lite Sources, Lite Updates, Lite Auto Login, Lite User Manager, Lite Desktop, Lite Sounds, Lite System Report, Lite Firewall, Lite Network Shares, and Lite DPI. Moving these apps to GTK4 brings a more modern interface and improves long-term maintainability. Lite Software received one of the biggest upgrades in this release. It now supports installing more than 20 popular applications with a single click. This includes tools like Darktable, BleachBit, KDE Connect, Kdenlive, and Stacer. The goal here is simple: make post-install setup faster and easier, especially for new Linux users. The System Monitoring Center app has also been improved. The System tab now displays more detailed system information, making it easier to check hardware details, system status, and overall performance at a glance. Linux Lite 7.8 ships with a refreshed set of default software. This includes Google Chrome 144.0, Mozilla Thunderbird 140.7.0 ESR, LibreOffice 25.8.4, VLC 3.0.20, and GIMP 2.10.36. These updates ensure users get recent stable versions right after installation. Visually, Linux Lite 7.8 uses Xfce 4.18 with a customized setup featuring the Materia desktop theme, Papyrus icon theme, and Roboto regular fonts. The result is a clean, consistent look that still feels lightweight and responsive. According to developer Jerry Bezenkon, the team is especially excited about the expanded Lite Software app and the improved System Monitoring Center, both aimed at improving usability and system visibility. Linux Lite 7.8 is a solid upgrade for existing users and a great entry point for newcomers. If you want a lightweight Ubuntu-based distro with long-term support, modern GTK4 tools, and flexible kernel options, this release delivers exactly that. Linux Lite 7.8 is available as a 64-bit live ISO, which you can download from the official release announcement page, test it live, install it on older hardware, or try it in a virtual machine. If this overview helped, like the video, subscribe for more Linux updates, and let me know if you want a full install guide or performance test next.